Is this thing on?
Yeah.
So you already going? Okay.
You got it. Just go. Ready? Okay.
UTE manufactures and supplies CNC equipment such as tube benders, tube lasers, sheet lasers, and press brakes.
Can I pause?
Yeah. Are you kidding me, that old codger? Damn it, Mike. You're in the middle of the damn video.
I'm the director of service at Beckwood.
One of our favorite, excuse me.
And what would you say gives your cobots like a competitive edge?
I don't know that
You
much.
don't know yet?
What's the funniest thing that you've seen at
You guys?
How about we just do it standing?
Interview us.
Yeah.
My favorite thing about coming to Fabtech is that I get to see cool stuff and do cool stuff I've never done before. Like welding yesterday, I got to practice welding for the first time. But also, whenever companies have really cool company swag, I love bringing stuff home. I always make sure I don't pack a full suitcase so I can bring a bunch of stuff home.
I'm just here for the free stuff.
I could say it if you want me to, but no, we don't.
My favorite thing that I've seen is our booth. It's the saloon.
This is through our website as well as our LinkedIn.
Dun, 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 na, na.
What's your favorite part of that so far?
5 o'clock.
Oh yeah, we've named Yaskawa robot Yolanda.
Milan. So it's like, yeah, it's on Milan.
On a shirt. Milan.
That we get out of, let me think about this. You put me on the spot.